We are back on the Saturday morning with the deepening home insurance crisis.
With thousands of homeowners in the LA area impacted by this week's devastating wildfires, the region is facing billions in losses.
And it comes as insurance companies were already pulling back on coverage in some parts of the country due to the effects of climate change. NBC News senior business correspondent Christine Romans is here to break down what this latest disaster could mean for homeowners nationwide. Christine, good morning. I think this is an important conversation to have because so many people already didn't have insurance because of earlier natural disasters. So what are they supposed to do now?
And for a lot of California homeowners, there was already home insurance anxiety before this tragedy. And to be honest, this is still unfolding. People haven't been able to get back to their neighborhoods, so many haven't even started the insurance process. But we know that over the past couple of years, a lot of folks have had what's called non-renewal, meaning their company has sent them a letter saying, we're not going to renew your insurance contract. Or they are getting sort of the last resort lending from or insurance from the state, and that might be a bare bones policy. And they've had so there's already been deep anxiety about homeowners insurance in California, and this only adds to it. And look, these rates have been rising across the country for the past couple of years, double digits in many cases. So this is a real crisis in home insurance.
So what is the best advice for homeowners, especially maybe those who live in areas that are so prone to disasters?
I think this whole episode is a reminder that we need to check our own homeowner policies. I just recently got a letter from my insurance company saying, by the way, we've asked the state to raise yours 26%, so you've probably seen higher prices. Review your insurance policy, and it's a really good time to take pictures and videos of everything in your house, even the garage, even your closets. Go through, with your spouse or your kids and just take everything. And then all of your important government documents, the kids, birth certificates, everything you've got, make a photocopy of them, put them in a Ziploc bag. Don't keep them at home. Keep them someplace else.
That's smart.
It's just it just takes a little bit of the edge off if you were to lose the contents of your home to be able to go and, recreate all that stuff.
I will say, like a lot of people, I found myself at home thinking, if this happened here, where am I going to go first? What is the first thing that I grab? This is not a new conversation. The hurricanes hit Florida. We talk about the impact on the insurance industry there, the wildfires out west. What does this mean for the rest of us, so to speak, that are not affected by those in our insurance policies?
I think we're at a tipping point in the insurance situation. Here's why. We have more dramatic natural disasters, whether it's hurricanes, it's wildfires, it's heat waves, more dramatic, more unpredictable, lasting longer. I mean, fires in January in Los Angeles, this isn't the old fire season. So things are more dramatic, lasting longer, and costing more to rebuild. That means home insurance prices, which have already been up double digits over the past few years, will likely continue to rise. And there may be parts of the country that are uninsurable. That will be the federal government, state taxpayers will have to figure out how to make sure people can get coverage.
Which means higher taxes for everyone.
Yeah.
Christine, thank you. Appreciate your expertise.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.